We're actually at the Alexander Clark Park here at Beenleigh. It's an amazing park. It's got plenty of areas to barbecue, and it's got the usual rustic barbecues, but it's also got the modern barbecues where you're just pushing a button. Plenty of exercise machines, areas for children to play, guys. There's a water park here. It's in the middle of the forest. I feel like I'm actually in an English forest, guys. There's just about every bird. Well, I can hear just about every bird that I love here. Have a look at the children's play stations there, guys. There's a fishery and a field station. There's plenty of areas where you can use a scooter. Ramps for skating. There's a skating ramp. There's a volleyball court. There's a basketball court. Exercise machines. Plenty of areas to sit and eat. And there's walkways, guys. I'm quite short on time at the moment. Otherwise, I will actually start walking the forest. There's some trails in there as well. So this is a beautiful area. I wonder how many people come and get married here. This just looks so beautiful, guys. And they have planted natives all around. So I've actually been, enjoying seeing all these honey eaters coming in and tasting all the flowers, getting nectar from the flowers. There's a flying fox over there, guys. And there's other unusual games here that I don't know much about, guys. I think it's called Sky Golf or something like that. You play frisbees with it, and apparently it's very popular. I don't know how that works, guys. But have a look at all this. Look at that. Look at the massive koala there. Playground. And a bird. It looks like a cockatoo. Look at the beautiful native gardens. Look at the little mini water park, guys. Look at the beautiful endangered cockatoo, the black cockatoo. You're missing out, guys, if you don't bring your kids here, especially if you have little kids. They're missing out. There's just so much space, guys. And it's all themed with, nature. Like the koala and all Australian animals. I recommend you come here, guys, and just relax. Just listening to the birds. It's just amazing, guys. Amazing. There's a sand area for kids to play at as well. I just ran out of... There's just so much in here. I'm amazed. Anyway, guys, this has been the video for today. I highly recommend you come to Alexandra, I think it is, Alexander Clark Park. And come with your young kids, family, toddlers. This is the place to be, guys. Don't miss out. Bye.